Very warm good morning to all of you. So today I'm going to start with your second chapter, that is Vedic period, okay? But in class 9th A, I'm going to upload the videos because in 9th B I have completed the first chapter, that is the Harappan civilization. But in 9th A, last few topics are left. So for 9th A, I will upload tomorrow the videos of Harappan civilization also, as well as the Vedic period. Is it clear? So but today let me start with the second chapter, okay, that is the Vedic period. Okay, so today I'll not give you much. I'll just tell you about the Vedic period. Okay, under Vedic period we have to study about Vedas and the epics, okay, and the comparison between early and later Vedic period. Okay, now see children, in this you people have to understand one thing, that the Vedic period is divided into two phases. First is early Vedic period, okay, all right, and then second is later Vedic period. Okay, so under Vedic period we will study about Vedic period is actually divided into two phases. We'll study about early Vedic period. Okay, and early Vedic period was 1500 BC to 1000 BC. Okay, 1500 BC to 1000 BC is the period of early Vedic period. Okay, and then we'll study about later Vedic period in the same chapter, and later Vedic period is last from 1000 BC to 500 BC. Is it clear to all of you? So in the second chapter, the Vedic period, we will study about two Vedic period, as I told you, early Vedic period, which lasts from 1500 BC to 1000 BC, and later Vedic age or period, which lasts from 1000 BC to 500 BC. All right, so now you need to understand this, that the scholars and our historians in first chapter I told you that before the discovery of Harappan civilization, it was believed that Indian civilization is inherited when Aryans arrived to India. Okay, so that arrival of Aryans to India mark the beginning of which period? Vedic period. Is it clear to all of you? So when the Vedic period actually started, when Aryans arrived to India, that time onwards there was a beginning of the Vedic period. Now see in the book, scholars and historians refers to the period when Aryans were first settled in India as early Vedic period. So what do you mean by early Vedic period? According to scholars, according to historians, when Aryans first came to India and settled in India, that period is known as early Vedic period. That lasted from 1500 BC to 100 BC. Okay, then between 1000 BC to 500 BC, when iron had come to be used. Okay, now what happened? Year 1000 BC is very important year, because in this year only iron was invented, and invention of iron marked the beginning of later Vedic period. Because what is the period of later Vedic period? 1000 BC to 500 BC. Is it clear? So you need to understand today this, that when Aryans first settled in India, that period is called as early Vedic period, that is from 1500 BC to 1000 BC. And when iron was invented, that is in 1000 BC, then it is believed that there was a starting of the later Vedic period. Now, what is the difference? In 1000 BC, the Aryans have started living a settled life, and they settled themselves in the Yamuna Gangas, okay, in the valley of the Yamuna and Ganga before the 1000 BC. Before the invention of iron, that is in 1000 BC, the life of the Aryans were nomadic. They were not living at one particular place. Okay, they were just nomadic, roaming one place to the other place. But when in 1000 BC iron was invented, then Aryans had a settled life, and where they settled, in the valley of the Yamuna and the Ganga river. Okay, so that marked the beginning of the later Vedic period. Is it clear to all of you? So we are going to study now in chapter 2 about the Vedic period, and that period which is divided into two phases, that is the early Vedic period which lasted from 1500 BC to 1000 BC, and later Vedic period which lasted from 1000 BC to 500 BC. And later Vedic period started with the invention of iron, and early Vedic period started when Aryans first settled in India. Is it clear? Now, this is a brief introduction of your Vedic period chapter. Okay, and class 9th A, you don't get tensed. Your chapter 1, whatever topic are left, that I'm going to upload a video, a separate video for you people. And after completing Harappan civilization in class 9th, I'll give you people the question answers of the Harappan civilization. Okay, children. So today I have given you a brief introduction. Tomorrow I'm going to start with the literary sources, children. Okay, with the literary sources of the Vedic period, because for the Vedic period there are several sources. One of the sources, literary sources, that I'm going to start tomorrow with the Vedic period. So for today only this much. Thank you, children.